Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are returning from Bangalore. From Dubai to Mumbai. The flight is done, so Mumbai to Bangalore we are going on airbus A320 series in Air India. As you can see in the back. So yeah, we're gonna show you the takeoff and the landing and the taxiing to the.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए
So
सभी अतिथियों से निवेदन
So hi guys, we are departing now from Mumbai to Bangalore and Airbus A320 series in Air India. I didn't film Dubai to Mumbai because of I don't know why I forgot it actually. I'm sorry for that, but I'll show you the taxi, takeoff and landing. As you know, we are taxiing right now. We found a DHL back there. Let's go zoom at the DHL. Yeah, I can't.
यह आपकी सीट बेल्ट है। सीट बेल्ट बांधने के लिए मेटल टिप को बक्कल में डालें और स्ट्रैप को खींचकर कस लें। सीट बेल्ट खोलने के लिए फ्लैप उठाएं और सिरों को अलग करें। कैबिन में हवा का दबाव कम होने पर ऊपर बने पैनल से ऑक्सीजन मास्क अपने आप नीचे आ जाएंगे। ऑक्सीजन मास्क को अपनी ओर खींचें, नाक और मुंह पर लगाएं और सामान्य रूप से सांस लेते रहें। अपना मास्क लगाने के बाद अपने सहयात्रियों की मदद करें। इस विमान में 8 आपातकालीन निकास हैं, 2 द्वार सामने, 2 द्वार पीछे और विंग्स के ऊपर 4 खिड़कियां। इन्हें निकास संकेतों से पहचाना जा सकता है। आपात स्थिति में फर्श पर लगी फ्लोरेसेंट पट्टियां जलेंगी और आपको नजदीकी निकास की दिशा दिखाएंगी। आपका नजदीकी आपातकालीन निकास आपके पीछे की ओर भी हो सकता है। अपने और अपने सहयात्रियों की सुरक्षा के लिए आपात स्थिति में अपना सामान विमान में ही रहने दें। कृपया सीट पॉकेट में उपलब्ध सुरक्षा सूचना कार्ड को ध्यानपूर्वक पढ़ें। This is your seat belt. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten by pulling the strap. To unfasten, lift the flap and pull the ends apart. If there is a loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will deploy from the panels above you. Pull the oxygen mask towards you. Cover your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Make sure your mask is secured properly before assisting others. There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft.
What airline is next to the
2 doors at the
DHL?
front, 2 doors at the rear, and 4 exits over the wings.
The water
They are
drops
clearly identified by the exit signs. In case of an emergency, floor path fluorescent strip lights will guide you to the nearest exit. In some cases, your nearest exit may be behind you. During an evacuation, for your own safety and for the safety of others, you are required to leave your hand baggage in the aircraft. You will find the safety information on the card located in the seat pocket in front of you. We strongly suggest you read it before takeoff. Economy or premium economy class में life vest सीट के नीचे रखी है। बिजनेस क्लास में लाइफ वेस्ट बीच वाले आर्मरेस्ट के कंपार्टमेंट में रखी है। अगर आप ओवरविंग एग्जिट का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं तो कृपया लाइफ वेस्ट को विंग पर उतरने के बाद ही खुलाएं। In economy and premium economy class, the life vest is kept under the seat. In business class, the life vest is kept in the center armrest compartment. If you are evacuating Tata exits, please inflate your life vest only after you have stepped onto the wing.
Oh my god. These are all the cargo on the right side of yours.
यदि विमान को पानी पर उतरना पड़े तो लाइफ वेस्ट को सिर के ऊपर से पहने और इसकी बेल्ट को कमर पर बांध लें। लाइफ वेस्ट को लाल टॉगल खींचकर विमान से उतरने के तुरंत पहले खुलाएं। इसे ऊपर लगे लाल ट्यूब में मुंह से हवा भरकर भी फैलाया जा सकता है। हर लाइफ वेस्ट में एक बत्ती लगी है जो बैटरी के पानी से छू जाने पर जल जाती है। याद रखें, लाइफ वेस्ट को सिर्फ आपातकालीन स्थिति के दौरान ही इस्तेमाल करें। बिना कैबिन क्रू के निर्देश के इसे फुलाना और छेड़ना सख्त मना है। धन्यवाद। In the unlikely event of a water evacuation, slip the life vest over your head and secure its straps around your waist. At the exit, pull the red toggle to inflate your life vest. Should it fail to inflate, blow into the tube.
finished
Each
because
life
the
vest
room
has a light,
temperature has
which gets
dropped.
activated when the battery comes in contact with water.
They're going.
Please note that the life vest
You can
is
see
to
some
be used
vehicles
or
roaming around over
inflated
here.
only in case of emergency water landing, after authorization of cabin crew, and not to be inflated or tampered with
Taxi.
during normal circumstances. Thank you for your attention.
Okay. Let's check the wingtip out. That's so cool. It's a new one actually. Look, DHL. That's Spice Jet in the background, I guess. Yeah, it's a Boeing 737 Spice Jet. DHL Boeing 777 cargo. Oh, yeah. What is that island? That's my problem. Okay, we're taxiing. Taxi, that's some Chinese. Xing Xiong Wing Wang. I don't understand Chinese. So let's move on. Cargo. This is all cargo. Did you know that Mumbai is the largest airport in India? And that's the British Airways. Again, Lion Guitar. I don't have my specs on, sorry. Oh, come on. I guess this is the fire patrol station. And these are all the commercial jets. ASR, MSSR. Those are all the fuel trucks. MG Astor casually roaming around here. As you can see the runway. And what is that? That's a 737. They're taxiing, he's on the runway. Landed, I guess. Why is he going slow on the runway, Brazil? Full sunny weather because sunrise started. Oh look, Air India in background. One more in that runway. We are going, we are turning. It will be bumpy, bumpy dumpy. Okay, we're gonna reach. Wait, is that Boeing 747? Yeah, it is. We found a Boeing 747, boys. It's a passenger one, brother. Maybe it's Qantas. Something. Yeah, it's Qantas. Let's check the window for takeoff goodness. That's the British 777 in the background over there. And the taxiway. They're stopping because of the vortices.
Dear guests, we're now ready to take off. Please place your hand baggage in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you. Please keep your seat back upright. Seatbelt fastened, tray table secured, and the window shades.
That's the engine and that's the wingtip. We're gonna focus on the wingtip. Ha 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 ha. Oh my god, we are going for takeoff. Let's go. Oh, look at that. What aircraft is that? Boeing 737, I guess. Are we ready for takeoff? I guess we're on the old runway. or we are in the taxi. We. Now let's focus on the weight of the engine because we focus too much on it. We're focusing on 3, 2, 1, 0. Look, one just take off right now. Let's go. That's downtown Mumbai, over there in the city pictures. We are not at Ruha Airport, we are at Chhatrapati Maharaj Shivaji International Airport. This is in Mumbai. Wait, what?
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, अब कैबिन लाइट कम की जाएगी। यदि आप चाहें तो ऊपर लगी रीडिंग लाइट का उपयोग कर सकते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Okay.
Dear guests, we shall dim the cabin lights now. Should you wish, please use the reading light above you. Thank you.
Okay. Do I look like cat if I do? And that's the mist which is coming over there because of temperature changes. It's completely normal, they're telling. They're waiting because of the vortices. No. It's going to be a long video, guys, so watch it patiently. Enjoy the video. That's the crosswind leader. If it's down, so it's medium basically. I don't know anything about aircraft, but I'm trying my best. I want to become a pilot when I grow up. That's the engine. Yeah, it's a Rolls Royce one. Focusing and wingtip. And yeah, done. Oh my god, sunrise is coming on. Here, full, yeah. During midnight, maybe it drizzled a little, so that's why the window is wet. Let's go on this taxi. What the hell? Okay, let's go. Check the wingtip. It's a new one actually, not the old one. Oh, look at that. Boeing 737 just went by. What are they doing over here? Construction. Focusing on wingtip. Sorry guys, because of the wet water marks, because maybe it's raining. And that is one more aircraft. Danu Properties. Oh, Air India, brother. I thought Danu Properties on an airline, but it's just sponsoring. Maybe that's Mumbai to Dubai. And there it goes. It'll come, I guess, over here. We are almost ready for takeoff. Let it take off. Let them cook while we cook them. I guess it went? No, it didn't. It's still there. It's still there. What the hell? Focusing on wingtip. 3. Yeah, we're going for takeoff right now. And guys, guys. Please subscribe for 100 subscribers, please. And as you guys can hear the noise, and max part. In the sky, and let's see the seat features. Oh, look there are some aircrafts over here. Okay, now that's the ATC, that's the stadium. Full good house over there in Mumbai. So why are we going now? And that's Juhu Airport there. And now let's see the seat amenities. That's the phone, that's the literature, that's the iodine, the home again. I keep my bag here. Seat has been improved actually.